All right, practice problem 1. Step 1 says to distribute. I see parentheses. I need to distribute a positive 2. So 2 times 3 is 6, and then don't forget the x. Then I multiply 2 times the negative 4. Positive times negative is negative. 2 times 4 is 8. Don't forget to bring down your plus 5, and then you have an equals 9. So your first line should have looked like this. If not, go back and change it now, and then see if you can finish it on your own. Next, I'm on step 2, combining like terms. Again, first I look on the left side, then I look on the right. So on the left side, I have constants that are like terms that I'm going to combine. Bring down my 6x. The 8 and the 5 are different signs, so I subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. I have more negatives than positives, so I put minus 3. On the other side, there's just a 9, so there's no like terms. Step 3, get the variables on the same side. I only have one variable, and it's over here on the left, so there's no step 3. Now I need to get my constants on the other side. I want my constants over here on the right. So I need to get rid of this minus 3 attached to my variable. I do the opposite by adding. Bring down my 6x. 9 plus 3 is 12. I need to get the x by itself. These are attached by multiplication, so I undo that by dividing by 6 on both sides to get x equals 2. Write your answer in the box, and you are done. So to answer the second part of this, what was the first step? So we had parentheses, so the first step was to distribute. You can say distribute the 2 or just distribute, either one. As long as you know which step we started on. We started on the actual step 1, which is to distribute.